So when we put the powder in, use it. If you're not going to use this for several days, a week, a month, you have to empty the powder that's still in there out. Okay. Or it will rust into a mass, turn orange. If you're not going to use a lot, don't overfill it and then have to dump it back in. The less you have to put back, the better. So if you want to empty it, other than tipping it upside down, you can take the cup off the bottom. I'll show you. So this comes off. That's a lock nut. So this is the nozzle where the powder comes into the cup,
Okay.
and that's where the nitrogen swirls it around and mixes it.
Okay.
Right? There's an O-ring in here to seal it off.
Okay.
So if you screw this on, if you take it off, the powder will run out.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you empty it. When you put this back on, if you screw this all the way, you're going to shut off the powder flow altogether. So you go up all the way. That's closed. So we want to open this three and a half turns. You know what I mean? So 1, 2, 3, and about a half. Then we lock this down. So then we're going to pour the powder in here through the strainer. Make sure that's clean. There's this O-ring seal right here. Hook this up, and this locks it down. Just snug. It doesn't have to be overly tight. This is a relief valve in case of over pressurization, and this is a bleeder valve. If you're going to shut this down and it's full of nitrogen, you open this and it'll bleed the pressure off before you undo the nut. Okay. We're going to turn our nitrogen on.
How much?
I recommend 20 to 40 psi. I recommend, based on this pressure here, I recommend 6 psi. But if it's windy out or you're cutting thicker, you may want a little more pressure. You can get more powder with either more pressure or opening this cup up farther. So this is ready to go. Powder's flowing. So we're going to set the torch like we would any other torch. Like the 136s you have now, set it the same way. So when we're cutting, the powder is off. It's like a standard torch. It's like any other torch you have in your yard,
Okay.
until you add the powder. Now it becomes a powder torch.